Really not happy. I want my bike. I never lose my bike on that.
No.
Don't think of it.
I'm not, mate. I'm just texting. I'm sorry.
That's a red light.
A red light? No, that means I've got a text.
Don't record me.
I'm not fucking recording you. Seriously, that does just mean text. If I record you, it's flashes.
I don't believe it. I want to eat that phone.
What? Just enjoy your kebab, mate. I'm just texting. Look.
Right phone. I got text.
Have you got a text?
Oh, so greasy. Greasy in the muffle. Where's my phone? Where's my bag? Where's my bike? No! My phone hates me. No! I hate myself. I want to be happy. I want my phone. I want my bike. No. Stop.
Put your face in your kebab and I'll stop.
My face.
Put your face in your kebab. No, it's just your mouth. I want your whole, I want your nose in it. What the fuck? What is that? Is that something with mayonnaise on it?
It's a bit of beef.
Eat that then. Eat that and I'll stop. Eat that and I'll stop.
Oh, no.